So now, since I have already assembled my pipes, I just lift them and bring them to the bracket. So I start with one for cold water. This is it, and it comes there. So you turn these ones like that. There. There. You remove this screw. There. You bring it there. Then you come here and fix the upper one. There. There. Now, to tighten them, we take our portable screw driver and we fix the appropriate head. So this is suitable because they are flat. Now you push fit it to its position there. It's now ready. We have two directions. One, that clockwise is tightening. If you change here, it's opening. So right now we are doing tightening, so we'll use the clockwise rotation direction. So there we go. You can see. So there you are. Then we tighten the other one as well. So now that one is already in position. Totally firm. Then we come here. We do the same to this one. I need a screw head, but before I do that, let me do this. So that. So that one is fit. Then that one is okay now. Then from there, now our pipe is firm. What remains for me to do is to connect the flexible pipe on this one, which moves From there, and I get my adjustable spanner. So there we are. That is finished on the cold water side. I will explain all the purpose of all the valves after the connection. Then now I go to the hot water side. Again, we have all the brackets in position. So there we go. So there it is. Then come down here. So there we go. So there we are. Now it's a question of finishing up the others.